when my father was the vice president, he was able to get 2 positions. So, dalawang trabaho yung binigay sa kanya ni President Noynoy Aquino noong siya ay vice president. Number 1, siya yung naging head ng HUD-CC. And then, nakuha din niya yung pagiging presidential advisor for OFW affairs. So, I guess, yun yung naging primary niya na trabaho was number 1, to really address yung shortage natin pagdating sa pabahay. And number 2, yung maalagaan ang ating mga kababayan na nasa ibang bansa at doon sila nakikipagsapalaran. Ang sa kanya talaga, ang pinursu niya during the 6 years that he was vice president ay yung maging working vice president at naging malaking bahagi dyan yung kailangan pag may sakuna, the next day nagre-respond. Kung hindi kaya the same day, but the next day, nandun na yung mga tao ng OVP at nagbibigay ng relief goods. And during his term kasi, yung tumama doon yung Yolanda and I remember I was with my father. Advocacy? Siguro yung sa OFW. Kasi talagang may mga instances na lalang-lalo na yung mga nasa death row. Talagang up to the last minute, he would exert effort para hindi matuloy na kung kailangan lumipad siya doon sa bansa na yon at makiusap para magstay or makommute yung sentence ay ginagawa niya.